series is going to be all about how you can buy your dream car before you're out of high school. Now, this isn't one of those bullshit videos that you see all over YouTube where some 17-year-old has a Lamborghini Aventador or some prick in his 20s is driving brand new Ferraris and Corvettes and whatnot. This is actually going to be a realistic look at how you, a teenager, this is for the people whose parents aren't filthy rich, aren't buying us cars, aren't fucking supplying us with our every whim. These are 100% realistic ways that anyone, and this isn't even just teenagers, this is a realistic way that anyone can get a nice car, can get their dream car for their first car. Saving up at an early age. Now, the best way to make sure you get a cool car for your very first car is to start saving up long before you're even thinking of a car. And I really do mean before you're even thinking of getting a car. If you're only 14 years old right now, now is the time to start saving up for your car. If you're 17 and you're only just starting to save, you're going to have a pretty shitty car. But if you're 14 and you want to have a really epic car when you're 18, then now's your chance. And not only is this a great way to get a really cool car, it's actually an incredible lesson on responsibility and maturity. And I bet even if you explain to your parents that you're only doing it because you want a fancy car, they'll respect you for it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, like I said, when you're 14 is usually the earliest you can start. If you have a family business, you can start even earlier. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to every single job you can find and you're going to apply. They're going to be crap jobs. Like, honestly, at 14, the job you're most likely going to get is washing dishes at some shitty restaurant in some dick-ass little town. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go in, you obviously won't have a resume, but you're going to go in, you're going to tell them that you want to work really hard, you want to work as much as possible, and you're trying to save up. And hopefully, you know, if you've got a good reputation, maybe get some of your teachers to act as references, they'll give you a job. And the biggest problem here is you are going to be giving up a lot of Fridays, you're not going to have many weekends, and you're going to be working your ass off at a job you're probably not going to much care for. But it's going to be worth it, trust me. A part-time job, it's probably going to be $10, $11 an hour, 20 hours a week. That's $200 a week, roughly 11 grand a year. In 4 years, that's $44,000, maybe even more. You can get a lot of pretty awesome cars for $44,000. Not to mention the fact that you're going to be 18 years old, still in high school, with more than 40 grand sitting in your bank account. That's going to feel pretty fucking good. Not to mention, do you know how many cars are out there for 40 grand? A lot of cars. And we're not just talking about brand new Honda Civics or something like that. We're talking about some pretty intense vintage cars. We're talking about some pretty intense pre-owned cars. For 40 grand, you can buy a brand new V8 Camaro. For 40 grand, you can buy a brand new V8 Mustang. You can buy a Porsche that's 5 years old. Or, if you really want to go all out, for 40 grand, you could get a Ferrari 355. That's right. You could be 18, showing up to prom in a Ferrari, and all you had to do was save up some money working a shit job. And people are going to give you crap about how you never come out to play and how you're always working. And you're going to get to watch their jaw drop when you show up to high school in a Ferrari that is yours, that you paid for yourself. The biggest thing, though, is once you've got this job, you're going to start thinking like, oh, I want that new Xbox game, or I want some chips tonight, or hell, let's go out and buy some beer. You're going to have to resist those urges because this only works if you save everything. I mean, sure, you could spend a little bit, save a little bit, and get something not as good, but if you want a really, really cool first car, like, and I mean, not just like, oh, you've got a car set out in your mind you're saving up for, I mean, you want to go into the car market with just as many possibilities as you can think of. You need to save up as much as you can, and that's where this is going to kick in, and trust me, you're going to thank yourself. So like I said, if you're currently a teenager and you're still in high school and you haven't even begun to think about cars, now is the time to start saving up so that by the time you're 18 and you're obsessed with cars, and you're obsessed with girls, and you're obsessed with being cool, you're going to have a shit ton of money and a huge budget to go in and get an awesome car that is going to basically, it's going to solve high school for you. It's going to make it it's going to turn it from super bad into dazed and confused.